Making the common denominator is very, very important. Okay, in your exam, 20% of the paper will be algebra, and in algebra, this is the place where students lose a lot of marks. Okay, so before you do this common denominator, let me ask you, if you have, I always give this example, when you're 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4, you all know what to do, because you know, oh, this one must times 4, this one must times 4, this one must times 3, this one must times 3, so that the denominator are same as 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12, then you can add to become 7 over 12. In algebra, it's the same thing. We are just supposed to make the same denominator, then we can add together. Okay, so for him, the denominator are totally different. You got this guy and you got this guy. There's totally no relationship between the denominator. Okay, so what you need to do, this guy must multiply by x minus 5. Bracket it up. This guy must multiply by x minus 5. This guy must multiply by 3x plus 2. Same thing. This guy must multiply by 3x plus 2. Okay, then we will have that. Okay, so the equal right here. Numerator, the first one will be x minus 5 plus the 3 multiplied to the 4, 12 bracket x plus 2 over the denominator. You can just write one denominator and never ever expand the denominator. Never ever expand the denominator. Never expand denominator. Okay, why? Later there are some terms where you can cancel out. Okay, then it's easier to see from there. Okay, so my numerator would be x plus 12x, that would be 13x, minus 5 plus 24, that would be plus 19. Okay, over my denominator, never expand them. Just leave it where they are. Numerator can factorize? Cannot factorize. So just leave it. That will be the final answer. Okay, and this is because the denominator has no relationship to each other. But if you go to this denominator, again, whenever you see an algebraic term that has two terms or more, right, see whether they can factorize or not. Can factorize? You can. 5x over 2x minus y minus 3y over, take out 5, y minus 2x. Yeah? Okay? Now, they are related. 2x minus y and y minus 2x, they are related. See sec 1 from this factorization by grouping. Okay? We know we can change the y minus 2x to y minus 2x. If I want to change it to 2x minus y. Yeah? What must be in front? There must be a negative sign, right? Okay? Then they are mathematically equal. We always change the behind fraction. So this is 5x over 2x minus y. If I want to change this denominator to 2x minus y, this sign here will become plus. Because there's a minus that is on the outside here, it will affect this minus, that's why it will become plus. 3y. Okay, this step is super important. This step is super important. Okay, and then once you get that, now the common denominator is what? Because both of them have 2x minus y, 2x minus y, you only need to multiply by 5 to this guy and to this guy. So I have 25x plus 3y over 5. Remember, the denominator don't need to expand. Okay? And remember, this x and this x you cannot cancel. You cannot cancel because this is part of the group. Alright? So whenever you see 2 terms or 3 terms, see whether you can factorize or not. 2 terms, normal factorization. 3 term, cross factorization. 4 term, most of the time is factorization by grouping. Okay? Very common question also. X squared minus 4. Algebraic rule number 3. So this guy will become equals to 4 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay? And then, we know that we need him to be x minus 2. I want to change him to x minus 2. Okay? So this sign will become minus 1 over x minus 2. Problems combining, just bracket this up, then you know that you need to multiply by this guy to the right side. Multiply by x plus 2, multiply by x plus 2. Be careful, this one is a minus, so it's 4 minus, open bracket, must have this bracket. When you combine x plus 2 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, please do not cancel this and this. No, no way, that's totally not correct. Okay, so I will rewrite the whole thing again. There's no way you can cancel, so don't anyhow cancel. If you're not sure, don't anyhow cancel first. Make sure that they are multiple of each other first, then you can cancel. Okay, so I open up, this will be 4 minus x minus 2 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Numerator will become 2 minus x over x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, next. 2 minus x can change to x minus 2 or not? Yes, you can. Put a negative sign on the outside. Over x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay? This skill very important. 2 minus x can change to x minus 2. Yes, you need to put a negative sign on the outside. Alright? Then this guy and this guy cancel. The answer is negative 1 over x plus 2. So all these fraction techniques very important. Make sure you go and practice them. Okay? Numerator, anything to factorize? Nothing to factorize. Denominator, okay, xy and then x and x squared. So both numerator has nothing to factorize, so we don't factorize anything. Next thing is, what should the common denominator be? X got one component. This is x squared. So he only need to multiply by y. He only need to multiply by x. So numerator must also do that. Numerator must also do that. So this is x bracket 3 minus y over x squared y plus y bracket x plus 2 over x squared y as well. Then now you can combine. Okay, 3x minus xy plus xy plus 2y over x squared y equal 3x plus 2y over x squared y, and that's it. Okay, pretty straightforward for this one, which is supposed to be t.